phone on just on start. Hi everyone, started the okay. Yeah, how are you all? So it's been a long time we connected live. So we have some emergency situation in between and we are kind of disturbed and we couldn't work for 7 to 10 days. So I have posted that update as well, and I have received some really warm and concerned messages uh, over the my messages and inbox. Thank you so much for your concern and support, and thank you all for joining the live today. Yes, we are back to work now in full-fledged way, and we take some time to adjust as well. So again, I ask you to kindly support, and thank you very much for the people who have all supported and stood by me when we are in difficult times. Yes, quickly we'll start seeing the collection. In organza fancy sarees, we have two ranges. One is 2950 and another one is 3550. Okay, yes, we'll start seeing. Okay, the first one is dark navy blue. So all these organza material, compared to any other place, you can go and check any other place. We are directly getting it from the weaver, so you will get it at a very reasonable price, and the quality is also very good. You can see the quality. It will look the same as how you see it. Hey, flight mode lo pettana chudu. Okay, yeah, this is in the dark navy blue. Okay, this is how it is. On the one side you will have a small border, and another side you will be having the big border blousey. So this is the blouse that I have matched. You will get the red blouse. So oh sorry, this is dark navy blue with the red color blouse. Price entry, come to center. Okay, okay, yeah. This is how it is. This is a red blouse. Price is 2950. This is one. Even the dark navy blue with the red color combination. Center lo lena.
లేదు పట్టుకుందాం ఓకే
ఓకేనా ఇప్పుడు అట్ సైడ్ ఉంది కదా తెలియట్లా. ఓకే, ద ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ 2950. ఒకసారి చూసే. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ విత్ దిస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కంప్లీట్ వర్క్ బ్లౌజ్. పట్టుకో, బ్లౌజ్ అన్న చూపి, అక్కడ ఉంది తెలియట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఉంది. యా, దిస్ ఇస్ ద వర్క్ బ్లౌజ్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్. అవును, తను బ్లౌజ్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టు, నేను డ్యూటీ అదే ఇటు వస్తే. Okay, so you will be getting 5.5 meters sari and 1 meter blouse. So this is the blouse you will be getting, dark navy blue with the red color. The price is 2950. Okay, patko a phone ఒకసారి comments చూద్దాం. Okay, Gautam, is that clear now? ఓకే, సెంటర్లో ఉన్న ఓకే, బాగానే ఉంది, పట్టుకో. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ కలర్ రివర్స్ అటు ఇటు వచ్చాను. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ pretty lemon yellow color. Okay, this is the lemon yellow color with the nice silver zari weaving. So this is the weaving. You will have the perfect, as it is, good shine. I mean, the original shine you will be getting. So this is, the cloth is also very smooth compared to any other organza cloth. So we have selected, or we have chosen only the we have chosen the good organza quality cloth. So this is how it looks. Lemon yellow color organza with the silver zari weaving. Blouse pettu parledu, center lo lena annana. So this is the yeah, this is the blouse you will be getting. So this is the embroidery you will be getting for the blouse. So on raw silk you will be getting the perfect embroidery. So this is the saree and this is the blouse you will be getting. The price is 2950. Okay kada, yeah. So you will be getting the running blouse, I mean running pallu. So this is how it is. Okay kada, ఇప్పుడు ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇటు సైడ్ ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా, చూపి. Perfect. No. So this is the blouse and this is the saree you will be getting. Very famous color combination and a very pretty one as well. In a eye-catchy one. Yeah, this is very smooth to wear also. Unlike other organza sarees, it is not rough or it doesn't stand. It's very smooth and it falls on the skin. So this is this is lemon yellow with ink color organza saree. The price is 2950. Okay. Yeah, you can check anywhere else. If you get for this price, please do message me. Next. So the next one is the maroon. So this is dark maroon red color with the silver organza. So this is the, you'll be getting a very big border for this. With this we are even customizing the gowns as well. You can use it for the saree as well. Okay, this is the so this is the silver big border you will be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. This is how it looks on the single pleat. Okay. This is how it looks on the single pleat. So this is the blouse. Blouse I have given a new color. This is the bright orange color blouse. So this is the saree and this is the blouse. Blouse pattukovalane. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this is the blouse. Sorry, this is the border and this is the saree blouse you will be getting. This is in the bright orange color. Put correct on the. This is the bright orange color. I'll put the pleats as well. Red with the bright orange color. Koncham shoulder pani pettu. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, nice, very. It's a very nice color, red, bright red orange with bright orange color. Okay, the price of this is also 2950. The comments are anything much. So all these are prices 2950. Okay, you will get 5.5 meter saree with 1 meter blouse. How to order? You can take a screenshot of the saree while the live is going on and you can message me immediately, so I can block it for you. All these are fancy and a very affordable fancy wear sarees, and believe me, the material or the quality of the sarees is way far better than any other place you get. So the organza doesn't really stand or doesn't really hurt your skin. These are very soft. Yes, okay, we'll see the next color. Next color is one of my favorite. This is the pastel colors. This we have included both the pastel colors and bright colors as well. See, when I put pastel colors, people ask bright colors. When I put bright colors, people do ask pastel colors. So this time we have included both the collections. So this is pastel green color. You can see how beautiful it is. Blouse you will be getting in the ink blue color. So this is the blouse. Blouse is the mirror blouse. So this is the mirror blouse you will be getting. So this is the ink blue color. So next time so yeah, this is how it is. Nice pastel little green color. Little green color with the violet color combination. Okay, the price of this is 2950 as well. So okay, this is how it looks. Very rich, and you will be getting the running pallu. Pallu also you will be getting the same. So it is the same how you see here. So nice. The quality is also very good compared to the before the any previous ones. So okay, the price of this is should we send this one? Yes, Sushma. You can send the screenshot messages to my Instagram inbox, or you can find my business WhatsApp number in my bio. Please note down the number and save it for further any contact. You can message me anywhere depending upon your convenience. Fine, sir. Huh. So this is one pastel green with the blue color combination. The price is 2950. Next color. So the next one is also pastel color, lavender color. Babita. Arun bedsheet రెండంటే రెండేనా అక్కడ కాదమ్మా సరదా ఇటు నుంచి వెళ్ళి పర్లేదు ఇటు నుంచి వెళ్ళి పర్లేదు వెళ్ళి సో ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ద పేస్టల్ లెవెండర్ కలర్ సో ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ద పేస్టల్ లెవెండర్ కలర్ సో పీపుల్ డూ లవ్ లెవెండర్ కలర్ నాట్ myself yes, I do love lavender color too. So yeah, this is how it looks. Chal. So this is how it looks. Lavender color, red color blouse. So with lavender I have paired a red color blouse. This is very nice and a very pretty lavender color. See how good it looks. Okay, not good just yeah. So lavender I have paired with the red embroidery blouse. Okay kada kuda okay, this is how it looks. And ignore my dull face. Okay. Yeah, only saree cost without blouse 2550 is only saree without blouse. With blouse you'll get for 2950. Okay, so this is how it looks. Lavender with the red color combination. Okay, on single pleat it looks like this. It's a very pretty color combination. Nicely you can see how wavy it is too. It's very easy and it's like a normal silk saree like how you carry. We have got the finest quality this time. So because organza is very good to look, but when it comes that you have to wear the sarees and all, it's little pricking to the skin. So we have this time got nice quality cloth that really settles good on the skin. అది కూడా చూపించే నెక్స్ట్ వర్క్ చూపిద్దాం. గ్రీన్ అదొకటే ప్లెయిన్ కదా, ఇంకా ప్లెయిన్ వన్నీ చూపించేసే ఫస్ట్, లేకపోతే మధ్యలో చూపించుకోలేదు ఏదైనా. ఓకే, సో ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ గ్రీన్ కలర్. లావెండర్ వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ దిస్ గ్రీన్ కలర్, గ్రీన్ విత్ మస్టర్డ్ కలర్. పెట్టేసే అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేది. So this is the green color with the yellow color, mustard yellow color embroidery work blouse. So yes, this is how it looks. Okay, nice very pretty green color. Idi em green, dark parrot green. Dark parrot green with the mustard yellow. So it is a contrast color combination. Parle next burgundy chupinchu. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2950. This is the rear view. Yeah, this is how it looks. Green with the mustard yellow color combination. The price is 2950. The same, it comes with the big border. This is the blouse. Blouse you will get with the nice raw silk, good quality raw silk with the embroidery. Okay. So the next one is all over work you will be getting for the organza. It's a very pretty one. So all over you will be getting the embroidery for the organza cloth. See, you can see this is a checked organza with the buttas all over the saree. See how good it looks when you put it. So the price of this is 3550. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now it looks. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Blouse is in the silver color with the gold and silver zari buttas. So this is how it looks. All over embroidery you will be getting with the work blouse. So this is how it looks. కొంచెం ఇక్కడ పట్టుకో వెనకాల, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వెనక. రైట్. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, nice, very pretty burgundy with the silver color combination. Sure, it looks very great when you put it on yourself. So this is how it looks. Burgundy with all over silver zari work. Okay, the price of this is 3550. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Nice silver finish that with the gold buttas that matches with this saree. Okay, this is how it looks. Next. Next one is haldi yellow color blouse, red. Next is haldi yellow color with silver zari weaving. Blouse. So yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, haldi yellow I have given red color embroidery work blouse. So this is also one of our right. So I've given the red color combination. Haldi yellow always goes great with the red color combination, like it is like a pasupu kunkam color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Haldi yellow with the red color combination. The price of this is 2950. Okay, you'll be getting 5.5 meter saree and 1 meter blouse you'll be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice big border silver zari. Okay, you can take a screenshot and inbox me if you want. Okay, the price is 2950. All these are very affordable collections as well. You can really try one for yourself. Like semi party wear also, it looks very class. పట్టుకోమ్మా, నేను అడిగినప్పుడు ఇవే లేకపోతే అక్కడ పెట్టేసి దాని నుంచి పెట్టు అక్కడ. రైట్, గుడ్, రైట్, పర్ఫెక్ట్. సో ఇందాకే కదా బర్గండి చూసాం, ఇప్పుడే కదా చూసాం. ఉందిలే, నెక్స్ట్ వేరే కలర్. ఇచ్చేసాను అంతే. So the next one is Rani pink color. So the next one is Rani pink. This time it is with the golden zari weaving. So all we have is with the silver zari weaving. So this particular one is with the gold zari weaving. We have given a perfect matching for this. So this is the dark navy blue color blouse. So this is a very pretty buttas you will be getting all of. What don't you know? So yeah, so in the border you will be getting the dark navy blue here with the gold zari and the gold buttas all over the saree like this. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Perfect match for this dark navy blue with the embroidery blouse. So these embroidery sarees, these are for 3550. You will get 5.5 meter saree and 1 meter blouse you will be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. On single it will look like this. So yeah, this is how it looks. Running pallu also, the same running pallu you will be getting. This is how it looks. Rani pink with the dark navy blue color blouse. Sorry. So this is the blouse. You can have a closer look of the blouse. Questions. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Okay, we don't have a store, physical store. It is an online store only. So you can just messages on Instagram or WhatsApp and you can buy your products. Thank you. So yeah, this is the blouse you'll be getting. Nice embroidery with a nice butta you'll be getting. So yeah, the price of this saree is 3550. Rani pink with the navy blue color border. Next, అమరును ఏదోటి దీనికి మస్టర్డ్ కలర్. Right. So the next one is, we have seen maroon with the silver color border. Now maroon we are seeing with the gold color. So this looks very rich as well. Silver is one combination and gold also people will like. So this is with the gold border. So it gives that similar kind of look like Kanjivaram sarees or something. Okay. So so you will get it with the mustard color border. నువ్వు చేపెట్టచ్చు సార్ కదా ఇప్పుడు రైట్ అక్కడ పట్టుకో. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద మస్టర్డ్ బ్లౌజ్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్. See how rich it is with the gold big border. So silver also it will have the same look. People who like silver they can buy silver, or people who like gold they can go for a gold border. So yeah, this is how it looks. Dark maroon with the mustard color border, mustard color blouse. So this is the blouse and this is the saree you'll be getting. The price of this is also 2950 only. Okay, this is how it is on single. On single you'll be getting like this. Yeah, this is how it is. So I think you can see the perfect combination now kada. Yeah, this is how it looks. You can take a screenshot like this for the perfect look if you want. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 2950. Next, next one is the burgundy color. One we have seen in the burgundy brown. So this is burgundy purple. The before one which we have seen with the silver work all over, that is the burgundy brown. So this is the burgundy purple. So in this the kit collection is a very great hit. So blouse ide orange ide kada anukunna. So this is the burgundy purple color. Okay, this is how it looks with the silver color border. Only saree also you can take if you want, or you can take with the blouse that I have paid with. Anything is fine. So this is the burgundy purple, or most of the people term it as just purple only. So I've given a super color contrast blouse for this. So yeah, this is the bright orange color that I have given with the purple. So we see most of this Kanjivaram sarees or Pattu sarees that comes in this color combination, either this or in the reverse, purple with the orange or orange with the purple. So in that sense I have given this color combination, and I think it pretty suits well as well for this color. బాగానే ఉంది కదా. So yeah, this is how it looks. Burgundy or the purple color with the bright orange color combination. The price of this is also 2950. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I think it's clear now. Hair is disturbing. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. This is the perfect look or the perfect this thing. So okay, the blouse is the same one which I have shown. Nice bright orange color with the buttas given here. అది కరెక్ట్గా ఉంది కదా చూపించేది. Price of burgundy This particular sari with blouse, it is 2950. Okay, purple color, burgundy purple with the bright orange color combination. You can see the combination here like this. It's a very nice and a rare and the new combination as well. You can see like this. Yeah, this is how it is. Price is 2950. Come. So this is most of the people's favorite combination. Yellow with pink color combination. This is how it is. Yellow. So unlike full silver zari, this has come with the border here. Okay, the blouse bit. Yeah, this is how it looks. I'll give you the final look at once. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yellow with the pink border with the pink color combination. You can read the comments otherwise. Okay, this is how it looks. Yellow with the pink color combination. Okay, on both the sides you will be getting silver zari, and this is how it looks. Okay, on single it looks like this. Okay, this is how it looks. I think the look is clear now. Yellow, haldi yellow. This is haldi yellow with the rani pink color combination border and with the blouse as well. Okay, this is how it looks. Of course, all the organza sarees are transparent. Depending on the way you stitch the blouse, you can drape your saree. You can either go with a full length blouse, so you can wear it on single pleat, or if it is a normal blouse, or if it is you're feeling that the skin is showing off, you can just put the pleats. If you put the pleats, you will not feel that it is transparent. So it is how it looks. Okay, the price of this is the price of this is 3150. Last So the last one for this show, time ఎంత అయింది చూడు ఒకసారి, ఎంతసేపు అయిందని తెలుస్తుందా? టైం నోట్ చేసావా?
12 అవుతుంది స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేప్పటికి.
ఓకే, ద లాస్ట్ వన్ ఫర్ దిస్ షో, ఉల్టా ఇచ్చావు బ్రో.
ఉంటా కదా, అంతే కదా.
ఇటు ఓకే, I'm sorry. The last one for the show is Rani pink with the bright green color combination with all over mirror work done. Okay, this is how it is. So this also comes with the different color combination. Unlike the monochrome color, this is a different contrast color combination. Rani pink. It's a dark Rani pink with the green color combination. Silver zari weaving. Okay. This is how it looks on single pleat. I like this butta sarees, all over work butta sarees. I like it mostly on the single pleat because it shows very good on the single pleat. Blouse bit say. Blouse you will be getting in the parrot green, nice bright parrot green color. So this is how it looks on the single pleat. Okay, the price of this is 3550. Nice bright Rani pink color with the green color combination, and this is also a perfect set match for the blouse and the saree. Okay, on single pleat the look is like this, and yes, when you drape it, it looks like this. I'm not very good at draping. Okay, this is how it is. This is the look you'll be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 3550. The sarees which is having all over embroidery, the price of all of this is 3550. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks, and this is on the single plate. This comes with the big silver green border. Okay, with this we are ending the show. We have seen almost not less than 10, I think. Okay, so I'll be just reading the comments because I couldn't read the comments before. So whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot of the product that they wanted to book and they can inbox me. People who have joined in middle or who haven't joined till now, they can just see the live video which I do post on the IGTV now, and they can take a screenshot and they can book. So any more questions, please do ask. I can we can chat for two 2 minutes. Yes. Okay. Any other questions, please? ఒక 2 minutes ఉందా? Maybe 1 minute. Okay. Okay. I think there are no questions. So with this, I think we'll end the today's session, and Thursday probably we'll be having some more collections and the live as well. Yes, ante. Okay, thank you all. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.